In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Logitech webcam to your Mac. The first step is to connect your Logitech webcam to your Mac using the USB cable. You can find the USB slot at the back. Now connect it to the Mac using the USB cable. Once the webcam is connected to your Mac, you can open QuickTime Player or FaceTime. Go to Spotlight and search for QuickTime Player. Go to File, New Movie Recording. Now by default it will be using the default camera of your Mac. Just click on this arrow and you will see an option of Logitech Brio. Just tap on this. This will switch the cameras on your Mac. Similarly, let's open FaceTime. Go to Spotlight, search again, search for FaceTime. Here it is using the default camera of your Mac. Just go to the video, select the Logitech Brio. So this is how you use Logitech webcam on your Mac. So that's it about the video, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.